In an era where technological advancements shape the landscape of global security, military forces worldwide are embracing cutting-edge innovations to gain a strategic edge. This video, titled Unveiling the Future: 7 Revolutionary Military Technologies Redefining Warfare, provides a glimpse into the future of warfare, showcasing groundbreaking developments from leading defense tech companies. In this video, we will delve into each technology featured in the video, exploring their capabilities, applications, and the impact they may have on the future of military operations. Lanius Drone. Albert Systems, an Israeli defense tech company, introduces the Lanius Drone, a highly maneuverable and versatile loitering munition designed for short-range operations in urban environments. Equipped with an onboard companion computer, the Lanius Drone demonstrates autonomous control capabilities, executing full flight profiles, navigation, and scouting without user intervention. Its ability to map the interior of unknown buildings, identify targets, and switch between lethal and non-lethal payloads with man-in-the-loop control makes it a game-changer in urban warfare scenarios. Point-blank missile. Aerospace Industries presents the Point Blank, a hand-launched electro-optical guided missile that can be carried in a soldier's backpack. This versatile missile can take off and land vertically, providing real-time surveillance information and the option to equip a warhead for precision strikes. The U.S. Department of Defense's multi-million-dollar contract with Aerospace Industries highlights the potential of the point-blank system to enhance the precision, lethality, and survivability of small tactical teams. EOTech On Gun Laser. EOTech introduces the On Gun Laser, OGL, a compact and multifunctional aiming laser designed for both infrared and visible red laser options. With features like an IR illuminator optimized for night vision devices and user-adjustable windage and elevation, the OGL ensures accurate target acquisition in various conditions. Its durability, portability, and ease of use make it a significant advancement in laser aiming technology. Game Changer Combat Drone. Rainmetal unveils the Game Changer, a multi-purpose unmanned aerial vehicle based on the Luna NG reconnaissance drone. This combat drone can carry the Hero R-type loitering munition, transforming from a sensor to a shooter system with reconnaissance capabilities. Its stealth features, low signatures, and ability to operate in harsh environments position the Game Changer as an excellent choice for protecting troops and engaging tactically relevant targets. Shield AI's VBATS. Shield AI, in collaboration with the U.S. Air Force's AFWERX program, demonstrates AI-piloted unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, working together in teams called VBATS, Vertical Takeoff and Landing Tactical Unmanned Aerial Systems. The successful demonstration showcases advanced teaming behaviors such as autonomous formation flight and synchronized landings, highlighting the potential of AI for autonomous teaming in defense applications. Neuron UCAV, developed by the collaborative effort of European nations including France, Italy, Sweden, Spain, Switzerland, and Greece, the Neuron Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, UCAV, represents a significant leap in stealth technology. With reduced radar and infrared signatures, the Neuron aims to perform versatile missions, including reconnaissance, ground attack, and air-to-air combat. The project serves as a testbed for the development of future UCAV technologies, emphasizing collaboration and innovation. Ghost. Juliet Marine Systems introduces the Ghost, a submersible unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, that combines naval and aviation engineering. Its stealthy design minimizes radar and sonar detection, and its ability to fly underwater using supercavitation technology provides unprecedented speed and efficiency. With potential military applications ranging from reconnaissance to anti-submarine warfare, the Ghost represents a radical advancement in marine vessel design. Impacts of AI in defense strategies. AI, or artificial intelligence, has a profound impact on defense strategies across the globe. Its integration into military operations brings about a paradigm shift in how nations approach security and warfare. Here are several ways in which AI influences defense strategies. Unmanned aerial vehicles. UAVs, and drones. AI enables autonomous flight, navigation, and decision-making in UAVs, allowing for enhanced surveillance, reconnaissance, and even combat capabilities. Ground robotics. AI-powered autonomous ground vehicles contribute to tasks such as logistics, bomb disposal, and reconnaissance, reducing the risk to human personnel. Enhanced situational awareness. AI processes vast amounts of data from sensors, satellites, and other sources in real time. This provides military commanders with a comprehensive and up-to-date understanding of the battlefield, facilitating better decision-making. Predictive analysis. AI algorithms can analyze historical data, patterns, and trends to predict potential threats or enemy movements. This foresight allows for proactive defense strategies and better resource allocation. Cybersecurity. AI is crucial in detecting and mitigating cyber threats. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns indicative of cyber attacks, helping to secure military networks and critical infrastructure. The showcase military technologies in this video highlight the relentless pursuit of innovation in the defense sector. These advancements, ranging from AI-piloted UAVs to stealthy combat drones and precision-guided missiles, are reshaping the future of warfare. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of cutting-edge military technologies. If you found this content fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest innovations in defense. Your engagement fuels our mission to bring you the most exciting developments from around the world. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe.